Unraveling the layers of paralyzed in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a word that's quite powerful in its usage, paralyzed. Whether you've come across it in books, movies, or everyday conversations, understanding this word's full range can be incredibly helpful for English learners. So, sit back as we explore the different contexts and nuances of being paralyzed. When we first hear the word paralyzed, it often brings to mind a medical condition. It refers to the loss of muscle function in part or most of the body. This can be due to several reasons, such as a spinal cord injury, stroke, or diseases like polio or ALS. In this sense, a person who is paralyzed cannot move or feel the affected muscles or limbs. Beyond the literal, paralyzed has a figurative use. It can describe a situation where someone is unable to act or respond due to shock, fear, or overwhelming emotions. For instance, she was paralyzed with fear during the earthquake, means that she was so scared that she couldn't move or react. The word also appears in metaphorical expressions. Saying a community is paralyzed by a strike implies that the strike has caused all activities in the community to come to a halt, similar to how a paralyzed limb stops functioning. It's a strong way to convey the severity of a situation's impact. In day-to-day English, paralyzed can be used more casually. For example, someone might say, "I was paralyzed by the number of choices on the menu." This doesn't mean they literally couldn't move, but rather, they were so overwhelmed by the options that they found it hard to make a decision. Paralyzed is a word with a simple definition but a vast range of applications. Whether used literally, figuratively, or metaphorically, it effectively communicates an intense state of inaction or inability. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use paralyzed more confidently in English. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more English language tips.